caught this one in Crandall, Indiana just a little while ago, so we're chasing this one today. I'm gonna give her a couple films. It's kind of fun to chase the train every once in a while. Feel the power shaking the ground, can't you, Joel? Georgetown, Indiana. One of our favorite phrases to film on the Norfolk Southern line. So this is our home line. We got it figured out. They're going to close the road between our house and this for about 6 weeks, so that's going to be fun. We'll find new ways to get here, but our quickest route will be closed down. DPU's coming? Joel says the DPU's coming. Go get in your spot. That's what a like looks like. We appreciate it if you like us. Here comes that DPU. Working hard today. Very cool. Thanks for watching, J&J Rail fans. God bless and have a good day. J&J Rail fans out.